Meet the OPPO Reno 16 Pro 5G, the phone that blends flagship looks with mid-range price. Let's break it all down.
Right out of the box, the Reno 16 Pro impresses with its clean packaging and premium in-box accessories.
The design language screams premium voice. A 3D Pop Planet camera module wrapped in glass and a sleek metal frame. At just 188 grams and 8.2 millimeters thin, it feels light, balanced, and comfortable to hold all day. Flip it over, and you'll find an IP68 rating Croats, dust and water resistance built for real, everyday life. Now let's talk display day. A stunning 6.32-inch AMOLED screen with sharp 2640 by 1216 resolution and 460 ppi.
With up to a 144 Hz refresh rate, scrolling, gaming, and animations feel incredibly smooth and fluid.
Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and outdoor visibility is excellent thanks to strong peak brightness levels. Under the hood, the Reno 16 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8550 Super, a powerful, efficient chipset. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, multitasking and app switching feel instant and lag-free.
For gamers, titles like PUBG Mobile and Mobile Legends run smoothly in Pro Gamer mode without overheating.
Let's move to the camera system funnels, the true highlight of this device, led by a massive 200MP main sensor.
The 200MP wide camera captures incredible detail, natural colors, and crisp clarity, even when you zoom in. A 50MP ultra-wide lens with a 116-degree field of view lets you fit more into every landscape or group shot.
There's also a 50MP telephoto lens with optical image stabilization, perfect for stable close-up and zoomed shots.
Low-light photography is impressive too, with night mode producing bright, noise-free shots even after dark.
On the front, a 50MP selfie camera delivers detailed, true-to-life portraits, ideal for vloggers and content creators.
Video recording is equally strong, supporting Pro Video mode, time-lapse, slow motion, and AI-powered scene detection.
Now, battery life, the Reno 16 Pro packs a huge 6700 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy use.
Charging is fast too, with 80W SUPERVOOC flash charge topping up the battery in well under an hour. Software-wise, it runs Android 16 with ColorOS 16 on top, packed with smooth animations and AI features. AI Remix Collage, smart photo editing, and AI Link Boost for stable connections make daily use even smarter. Connectivity covers everything you need: 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and even an infrared remote control.
Security is handled by a fast, in-display optical fingerprint sensor, unlocking the phone in a fraction of a second.
Audio and haptics feel premium too, with clear stereo sound and precise vibration feedback throughout the interface.
So what do reviewers say? Most praise the camera quality, display, and premium feel of the Reno 16 Pro. The main criticism? Its higher price compared to the previous generation, positioning it just below true flagships. Overall, the OPPO Reno 16 Pro 5G is one of the best upper mid-range phones you can buy in 2026.
It combines flagship-grade cameras, a smooth display, strong battery life, and elegant design in one complete package.
That's our full review of the OPPO Reno 16 Pro 5G. Like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.